Most people get this wrong. They assume bigger networks are always better, but choosing between Boost Mobile and AT&T depends on what you value most: price, coverage, or perks. Today, I'm breaking it down so you can decide which is right for you. Boost Mobile is a prepaid carrier that runs on T-Mobile's network. The biggest advantage is affordability. Plans start as low as $15 a month, making it ideal for budget-conscious users. You also get unlimited talk and text with flexible data options. The downside is slower speeds during network congestion, since Boost users are deprioritized compared to T-Mobile postpaid customers. AT&T, on the other hand, is a major carrier with nationwide coverage. Postpaid plans include higher priority on the network, faster data, and perks like HBO Max or international roaming. The downside: plans are more expensive, often starting around $50 a month for a single line. The surprising truth is that your choice may also depend on location. In urban areas, Boost T-Mobile network performs well, but in rural areas, NTS coverage is more reliable. Also, Boost is great for casual users who don't need blazing speeds, while AT&T is better for heavy data users, streaming, or gaming on the go. In conclusion, Boost Mobile is perfect for those looking for a low-cost, flexible option, while AT&T is best if you want top-tier coverage, faster speeds, and premium perks. Evaluate your usage, budget, and location before making a decision. Subscribe for more mobile carrier comparisons and tips to get the best value from your phone plan.